Welcome to 6421 Northbend Court in Avon, Indiana. This new McCoy Moves You real estate listing sits in the Bridgewater neighborhood west of 267 and just south of 150. Built in 1999 by Republic Development Corporation, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath house featuring 2 living spaces on the main level with a formal dining room, home office, and fireplace. Upstairs is the primary bedroom with vaulted ceilings, an ensuite, and walk-in closet. 3 adjacent bedrooms share an additional full bath. This house has recently been renovated with a new HVAC system, a new water heater, new Whirlpool kitchen appliances and granite counters, new Pella windows and sliding glass door, new vinyl plank flooring and carpet, and fresh paint inside and out. Other updates include lighting, ceiling fans, interior doors, and bathroom stool. You'll love the covered front porch overlooking the cul-de-sac and the fully fenced backyard that has a large deck and a fire pit for entertaining. The full basement is unfinished, but plumbed for a full bath and has an egress window for a 5th bedroom. It's a blank slate and ready to make your basement dreams come true. Thank you for touring 6421 North Bend Court with me. For your private showing, contact me directly, Lisa McCoy, 317-371-1189.